In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop system to be the light mode theme. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select colors. And then where it says choose your mode, click the drop down here. And you want to select light, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.